This video is called Diamond in the Rough. I just grabbed this off the side of the road. It went through a couple of rainstorms. I'll explain more on it, but it's just a work of art. It really is. And I'll tell you why. Like, look at the knobs all over. Thing is, he definitely knew what he was doing and he took care of it. I wouldn't doubt that he built this thing. Oh, there's my little pick. I don't want to lose it. I wouldn't doubt that he built this thing. But what he did do before he put it on the side of the road is he definitely coated this thing with a lot of lacquer. I gotta tighten this little screw. I got like IV glue down that. I got IV glue down that ridge. I don't have long enough staples for my stapler gun. Sorry, the thing's all botchy. It just took me half an hour to like really wipe it down and make the sealer kind of be wiped off. The top edge sealer is definitely still on there. I just cleaned the sealer. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. This is so beautiful. It's like really nice, solid thing over here. Is that sugar? That's the inside of the inside drawer. Like, he really put a nice coat. There was like a lot of white all over the edge, like where the rain was dripping onto, and I just wiped it off, and I was like, "Oh crap, that's sealer." Minus work. Huh. Well, thumbs up or thumbs down? You know it. This thing is so sweet. It's 100%. This is the nicest finder I've ever found on the side of the road when it comes to furniture. And B, so much so that I'm naming it Diamond in the Rough.